this is the hummingbird area. And the employee here just told me hummingbirds are like your car keys. You'll see them when you're not looking for them, and when you're looking for them, they're gone. But they fly right by you here, within just a foot or two. There's a green one. It's amazing, just amazing. How many of them are here? Do they have an estimate of the total population?
Like here, we could make a what was that? Is a census or well, one of those
Census.
things. Yeah, census. Where that you count them on the morning, then on the afternoon later. That we could make an abbreviation about how many we could receive. If the day remains like this in the afternoon too, like with this amount of hummingbirds, we could say we receive around 3,000 to even 2,000 hummingbirds a day.
3,000 per day.
Yeah, I say we receive it because none of